cleaning robot market has a new competitor. iRobot introduces a model designed to compete in the high-end, the Roomba Max 705 vac, which arrives with the intention of recovering, or at least defending, the leadership that the brand held in the past. In a context where options with increasingly sophisticated functions and accessories abound, iRobot reinforces its premium line by betting on a model loaded with powerful features. This robot is designed for total cleaning, ideal for homes with pets or floors with carpets. It integrates two anti-tangle rubber rollers, which adapt to the type of surface and maintain constant contact with the ground. It also incorporates a specialized brush for edges and corners, and Carpet Boost technology, which automatically detects carpets and increases suction power in those areas. This model reaches a suction power of 13,000 pascals, the highest recorded so far in a device of this brand. The model has improved its navigation and obstacle detection capabilities, thanks to the incorporation of a camera with artificial intelligence. With ClearView Pro LiDAR technology, it can map the home with precision even in low light conditions. The Dirt Detect system identifies areas with the greatest accumulation of dirt and automatically repeats passes in those areas. It can be controlled from a mobile phone and is compatible with Alexa, Google Home, and, by the end of the year, also with Apple Home. It is equipped with the Auto-Empty automatic emptying station, capable of collecting and storing waste autonomously for a period of up to 75 days.